Hey, welcome to day 17. It must have rained a little bit at night. The road is a bit wet, but yeah, we move. So yes, today we're still preparing for our menses, and then that's like about some 6 or 7 days away. But yeah, we're going to do till it comes in there. So I'm still walking. Yeah, today I want to walk along my arms. Yeah. Now, one thing I've also learned is when you're walking, you can do some pelvic exercise as well. So just be moving your pelvis a bit around. Maybe because I'm just with my phone, I'm not doing it well, but I'll show you later on one of the episodes. But for now, I'm just going to do my normal walk. I'm using the route. Well, I'm not using the route I've used. I'll divert at a point. So when I get there, I'll just show you as well. But one thing is hard work always pays. So put in the effort and you can get it there. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So yes, we move. This day is 17. If my count is right, I'd have to check with my counted records as well. So yeah, I see ya. Just descended on the side. It's not very right. I'm going to go left to the other road. Ada! So I'm passing through this side. Then I'm going to get to the beach area. So today I'm walking by the beach, not in the beach or at the beach side. By means on the road, not on the sand. So yeah, because there's a curve and it's narrow, I'm not going to walk in where I'm supposed to because there's no walking space there before a car comes to squash my leg. Yeah, so this is the route I'm using today. I've just diverted. So there's lots of bump. So this is true, the old side. I've forgotten the name of the area. But if I go straight, I'll be going to the old side station. I'm going to be going down because I want to go to the seaside. So yes. It's a bit dark here, so let me put my phone. Yeah, lots of curves on this side. So yeah, care must be taken. So this bridge takes you to Diakor and to the seaside. This is the highway. I'm just going to walk by the side of the road. So yeah. Beautiful skies, beautiful wonders of nature. So yeah, I continue my journey as I enjoy the marvelous scenes of nature. So I don't know if you see the boats. So yeah, I decided not to come here because over here sometimes people mess up in the and just to show you the beauty. Today you can say I'm at Nkubim. I'm walking in between the coconut trees because if I go down there, I'll see things. Today I want to talk about depression. Yeah, depression is something everybody kind of goes through at a point in time, and it's something you must learn to deal with. For females, sometimes you have, should I say, short versions like when you are preparing for your menses, or sometimes even after it comes and it goes, it may get a little bit too down, which may last for a little longer. And if you don't take care, it gets something worse in there. So yes, it's something we need to talk about and help people to address or deal with. And one thing I say is, if you want to deal with that, you have to learn to breathe. What do I mean by breathe? Learn to, when you are breathing, you breathe in good air and you release bad air. Good morning, good morning. So if you get there, what you need to do is learn to give up some of the bad vibes by sometimes you can talk to someone, you can do an active sport, just do anything that keeps your mind engaged or busy. So someone like me, usually I just end up cooking, or sometimes doing something like cleaning or something more positive just to keep me up. And I have people in my inner circle I talk to when I get to that point where I feel I'm breaking down. I feel things are moving, things aren't going too well, and my emotions are just making a lot of things for me to think about. So yes, depression is something it happens in our lives and you need to be ready for it. Good morning. So they are pulling a boat to sea, to land or to sight. Let me show you a video of it. That's beautiful teamwork there. Where's the boat? So the boat is somewhere there. Resuming my path because they are working on the seaside, pulling some fish around this time. I'm going back to the main road so that I can wrap up and get to my end as quick as possible. So good morning, good morning. So yeah, I'm back to the roadside and yeah, I'm going back to my end. So I just moved from the highway, para road divert. So I'm going up the hill. Yes, I took the oats this morning and I'm kind of hungry. I'm snacking a bit on some tangerines. So I'm eating some tangerines. At the moment, I've already eaten 2. So if I add this, that'll be 3. So let's go be sharp. So I've come to fall in love with this crunchy salad. It's basically cucumber, carrot, onion. Sometimes I just add tomato, sometimes I don't add it. And I like it like this because it's crunchy. So as you chew, you kind of get full early. And when it's grated, because when it's grated, you eat quite a quantity before you get full. So yeah, I'm really loving it. Don't mind my push shine.